Hello there, my name's Adam Pearson. I'm one of the principals of Net Income Pros. We are a 25-person accounting firm in the Seattle area. And unbeknownst to me a couple of years ago, we have become quite expert at helping architecture firms with running their accounting department. I've noticed that architecture firms in particular are pretty tough for accounting generally because you have a bunch of different systems. Generally, you got project management and kind of timekeeping, resource management software, and then you'll have your payroll separately, with the paychecks or an ADP, and then you might have QuickBooks, and getting all that data together to work together is pretty tough, and especially if you got 20 employees or more. There's a lot of moving parts, a lot of projects, and it can just be a real pain in the butt to get your data in the right place. And there's always a lot of moving parts, and that's why I think our team-based approach to accounting, where instead of just hiring one person, you get with us and we'll put together a team of 5 or 6 employees to come work on your account. So you get a bookkeeper, APAR specialist, payroll specialist who just works with sort of HR issues, onboarding, running your payroll, working on your retirement plan, etc. And then you also get data and systems software experts. And then you'll also get a fractional controller who will make sure that we're doing the accounting right, that your CPA is happy, that you're getting the reporting that you need so that you know which projects you're making money on and which types of jobs you might be losing money on. And then you also get a client services rep whose job is to interface with your customers and your vendors and just make sure that everybody's happy, all the bills are paid, that we're collecting money. We do collections as well. So architecture firms in particular are very well suited to this team-based approach just because of so many moving parts. It's really hard to just hire a single bookkeeper and pay them 20 or 30 bucks an hour and have them, I think, grasp the complexity of what you're up to. So we've had a couple of huge successes over the last 2 years, especially a really good-sized architecture firm in Seattle, about 50 employees. I mean, they're awesome company. The owner's a great guy. When we met him, he was at the end of his rope. He had 2 accountants quit because they just couldn't really keep up, and he had nothing. He hadn't seen his profit and loss statement in 6 months. The bank was getting upset because they weren't getting their reports, and it just was all falling apart. Nothing was working, and as a result, our client he was just working too much. He wasn't seeing his kids very much, and he brought us in. We put 5 or 6 people on the job, and by the way, our service costs less than the cost of a single in-house employee. You'll get 6 people working on your account. And I could give, if you're interested, I can give this guy's a reference for you. And this year, he spent 6 weeks camping with his family. He's having his most profitable year ever. And on our last call, he said the data that he is starting to get on his projects, it's really been like a dream come true for him, is what he said. So we're really good at this. And I think the team-based accounting is the wave of the future because it's really just super hard to find one person that can do everything that you need. And in particular, we know architecture firms. We got it wired, and we got databases and tools and stuff already in place that can be really, really helpful. So if you would be interested in having a chat about how us, Net Income Pros, how we might be able to help your firm and some of the solutions that we've been able to work out, please submit a form here. It's like a lead form. I think you just click below, set up put your information in there, and I will reach out and set up a time for us to talk. And it may turn out that our solution would be a great fit for your architecture firm. By the way, we do everything virtually, and even though that might seem impossible, like I said, I can give you a reference to our client. He can explain to you that it actually does work, and it's not a big deal to overcome that. So again, if you would like to set up a time to discuss this solution, like I said, it really is cutting edge and it works super, super well for architecture firms. Just click below and fill out the form that pops up, and then I will reach out to you. And I love working with architecture firms. So I would love to speak with you and love to get the chance to meet you. All right. Have a great day. Bye.